Hey guys, LT here, and today I'm coming to you guys with a video telling you why I am qualified to help new trainers. Again, in this video, I'm coming to you to let you know why I am qualified to help new trainers. All right, so like this video if it brings you value, and subscribe to this channel because I'm going to bring you some stuff to help you and take you to a new level as a fitness professional. All right, stay tuned. Guys, in this video, I'm just giving you a little background of who I am so you can know why I'm qualified to help new fitness trainers. Now, right now I'm living in Canada. I've been here for about 5 years, but I started out in my fitness career in Maryland. I'm from Baltimore, Maryland, so I started there with my fitness career. I wanted to be a trainer. My parents really, they really helped my development in fitness because they got me gym memberships and they got me weight sets and everything. And, you know, I've been playing sports all my life. So I went to school, I got my bachelor's degree in exercise science, did a 4-year degree. Then from there, I went and worked in a number of different places in the fitness industry. I worked at gyms as a fitness trainer. I worked at private facilities. I even started a few different businesses, group training and one-on-one training in Baltimore. So I did that for about 10 years. And then fast track, I went and I moved to Buffalo because I got married to a Canadian. So I went and I started all over in Buffalo. I was there for 1.5 years, didn't know anybody. So I had to start all over, building up clientele, doing everything that it takes to meet and network and to get clients. So I did that for 1.5 years, and then yet again, I had to move again. Finally came to Canada, and I started out here at the gym for 2 years at a big gym here, a big chain. Then from there, I had enough of that because I'm really an entrepreneur at heart. So from there, I went and I started running my own business, and now that's where I'm at today. So as you can see my journey, I moved 3 different cities. I moved to 3 different cities and even moved from one country to another one. Had to start over 3 times. Had to start over 3 times. So this is why I would be a great person to help new trainers, because, you know, it's one thing to become a fitness trainer and then you build up your notoriety and you build up clientele and then you coast from there. No, I had to do it 3 times. So better believe I learned a thing or two about doing it because I had to do it 3 different times. And I had to do it in a whole nother country where I didn't have any connections at all. Okay, so from Baltimore to Buffalo and now to Canada right outside of Toronto. So this is why I would be a good mentor to help you take your fitness business to another level if you are a fitness trainer. So on this channel, I will be providing you with fitness business tips that's going to help you to grow your fitness profession so you can stay as a fitness trainer. Because a lot of people come into fitness and they leave. I've seen so many trainers come and go, and there's so many different factors that can help you as a fitness trainer. But it's one of the toughest industries, I can say honestly, it's one of the toughest industries. But it's growing and it's growing. When I first became a trainer, it wasn't as popular to have a trainer. Now it's like a normal thing that people are getting a trainer or they're going to a group class or going to a gym. So it's you're in the right place at the right time. But I'm sure you're gonna need some encouragement, and that's why I'm here to empower you. But this is my story, this is my background. That's why I'll be a good person for you to learn from, because I started over 3 different times. All right, so this is LT with LT Fit, that's my company. And like this video to bring you value. Comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to this channel because I'm going to help you, and I look forward to helping you, empowering you, because you're going to be empowering your clients, but I'm going to be empowering you. All right, take care.